Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your HP docking station G5 is not working the way it should, whether it's not detecting displays, not charging your laptop, or connected devices are failing to respond, it can disrupt your entire workflow in seconds. What makes this issue challenging is that the dock acts as a central hub, so even a small problem in connection, power, or system compatibility can affect multiple devices at once. Instead of guessing what went wrong, it's important to approach the problem step by step and check each part of the setup carefully. Most of the time, the issue is not a major hardware failure, but something simple like connection errors, outdated drivers, or incorrect settings. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact troubleshooting steps to get your HP docking station G5 working smoothly again. Try these. 1. Check that the docking station is properly connected to power and turned on. 2. Disconnect and reconnect the USB-C cable securely to your laptop. 3. Restart your laptop to refresh system connections. 4. Update all drivers and system software related to the docking station. 5. Check display and device settings to ensure everything is detected. 6. Allow necessary permissions for external devices if prompted by your system.